Going solar but confused about which solar panel brand to choose? Let's break it down for you. Here are the top solar brands that offer high efficiency, durability, and the best return on investment. Maxeon Solar industry leader with up to 22.8% efficiency, making it one of the highest performing panels available. More power, more savings. Panasonic, known for premium quality and reliability, these panels offer strong warranties and excellent efficiency up to 22%, even in low-light conditions. LG, one of the most trusted names in solar, monocrystalline panels with high efficiency of 22% and a 25-year performance guarantee. Tesla Solar, sleek, modern, and budget-friendly. Tesla's S-Series and H-Series blend aesthetics with affordability with up to 20% efficiency. Q-Cells delivers efficiency of up to 21% at an affordable price, a solid choice if you want value for money. REC and Trina Solar, best for hot climates, with an efficiency rate of up to 21% and advanced temperature coefficient technology, keeping performance high even in extreme heat. Mission Solar, made in the USA. Durable and up to 20% efficient, Mission solar panels are ideal for homeowners and businesses looking for a long-term solar solution. Canadian Solar, ranked among the top 5 global manufacturers, this brand offers a perfect balance of affordability and performance with up 20% panel efficiency, great for budget-conscious homeowners. Investing in quality solar panels means higher efficiency, more savings, and a shorter payback period. Don't settle for less. Need expert help choosing the best solar panels for your home? Get a free quote today with Solar SME and start saving big on energy.